In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a diagram in Confluence. Whether you're crafting a project plan or creating a more intricate technical diagram, Confluence offers several tools that can fit your needs. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to get you started with diagramming in Confluence. First, we'll look at the Confluence Advanced Roadmap feature. Head over to your Confluence page and type /roadmap in the editor. This will open up a macro list where you can select Create Roadmap. Once you're in, you can add bars, milestones, and map out dependencies to visualize your project plan. This feature is especially useful for those looking to organize and plan projects on a high level. However, it might not be the best fit for highly detailed or technical diagrams. For those scenarios requiring a more detailed approach, we will turn to draw.io, an external tool that integrates seamlessly with Confluence. To get started with draw.io, navigate to your Confluence home. From there, go to Apps and select Explore More Apps. In the search bar, type draw.io and install the draw.io diagram. This adds a powerful diagramming toolset to your Confluence environment. Now let's move on to actually using draw.io. Go to the Confluence space where your intended diagram will live and open the appropriate page. In the editor, type /draw.io. This will once again open a macro list where you can choose Draw.io diagram. Here, you can opt to begin with a blank diagram if you're in the mood for freeform design, or you might prefer to use a template. There are various templates available such as flowcharts, org charts, network diagrams, and mind maps, suiting a wide array of diagramming needs. Once inside the draw.io interface, you'll notice a shape library on the left-hand side, and you can drag these shapes onto the canvas to start building your diagram. Whether you're creating simple shapes or complex structures, this intuitive method makes it easy to craft your visuals. To enhance your diagram, connect shapes using arrows or lines, creating a logical flow or illustrating dependencies. To make your diagram pop, utilize the formatting toolbar. Here you can change colors, tweak line styles, and adjust text to make your diagram both informative and visually appealing. Finally, once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, click Publish in the top right corner of the page. This action embeds your diagram into the Confluence page, making it accessible and shareable with your team. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating diagrams in Confluence using both the native advanced roadmap feature and the versatile draw.io integration. Thank you for watching, and happy diagramming.